Good morning friends, myself Megha Shah. I am working as an assistant professor in Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology, BAT. Today I will take a lecture of computer networking and I will cover many topics like this. The topics are as below. First one is concept of layering, distributed system and networking, definition of network, network categories, network components and so on. So today we will take first a unit name is unit 1 introduction to computer network. Before starting this chapter, first we have to know what is computer network. So computer network means what? To connect one computer to many computer. Networking stands for internetwork. Means a network is connected with another network to share our data, to share our files, videos, audios, etc. So that is the definition of computer networks. Now we will start first point, concept of layering. So here first point is concept of layering. So here concept of layering means what? Here there are many layers, each and every layer has different duty. These layers are resided in OSI model as well as TCP/IP model. So this is the basic structure of layering that is included in OSI model as well as TCP/IP model. So you can say this is layer or levels. These layers are there are layers above the one layer. So here there are 5 layers, layer 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Each and every layer is connected with interface. So first of all, what is interface? We have to know what is the interface and what are the duties of interface. Interface, it is one kind of program. Whenever we are transferring data from one layer to another layer, at that time interface has duty to convert those data to the lower layer. So that is the duty of interface. Means each and every layer has different structure. Whenever, for example, layer 5 is sending data to layer 4. At that time, layer 5 has a different structure to sending the data to layer 4. So layer 4 is unknown how to accept that data. So at that time, between this layer, there is interface. Through interface, those data are converted into below layer. These are the duty of interface. Yes, here you can easily see this is a diagram of layering. Concept of layering. This is a diagram of layering means here each and every layer are displayed, and at the last one, that is physical medium. See, this is a physical medium. Means these are, it can be, yes, obviously it is a physical layer. Means through wires we are transferring data from sender side to the receiver side. Yes, so this is through wires. Now it is not possible whenever a sender is who is sitting in Baroda and another person, that is receiver, to receive that data. So that person is sitting on a Gandhinagar. So that is not possible. Those users are connected with wires. But whenever sender is sending that data, at that time, at some extent wires are used. That sender, server as well as computer, that is connected with wire. And on a receiver side, a receiver is receiving, whenever receiver is receiving that data, at that time at some extent that server is connected with a computer. So in that terms, here we are writing physical medium. Okay, here between these two layer 5 means this is the sender side layers and these are the receiver side layers. So these layers are connected with protocol. Okay, now what is protocol? So protocol means what? It is a coding for how to transmit our data. So it is one kind of software coding. So here there are many types of protocols are resided in each and every layer. For example, in layer 5 there are many protocols like HTTP, HTTPS, DNS protocol, SMTP, POP protocol, ICMP, IPv4 protocol, POP protocol, SMTP protocol. So these are the many protocols, FTP protocols. So same wise, for each and every layer there are many protocols, and through those protocols we can easily transfer the data. Yes, so here these are the layers. This is the basic structure of layers. Now what are the advantages and disadvantages of layers? So first advantage is it divides the network communication process into smaller and simple components. Means what? Here whenever we are transmitting even single file, so at that time our file is sent from layer 5 to layer 1, and then that file is sent to physical media. At some extent that data is converted into waves, and at the receiver side the same process is applied in a reverse. Means waves are converted into the data and that data is received from layer 1 to layer 5. So here the whole process is divided into smaller tasks. Yes. Second one, it allows multiple vendor development to sell network components. This is a wonderful point. Here network components. So here network components are used for each and every layer. For example, if we are talking about a network layer, yes, so in a network layer there is a router, in a data link layer there is a switch. So these are the network components. In a physical layer there are wires. So here these are the network components. Through network components we can easily